I believe I made the right decision when choosing Les Roches to study for a career in hospitality. Hospitality has always been my biggest passion. I always wanted to work with people, and since I discovered that this industry itself existed and that Les Roches was providing this opportunity, I didn't hesitate to come here.
Here at Les Roches, we are preparing the students for something great. Our Bachelor in Global Hospitality Management is an 8-semester program, including 2 internships in which the students can really put in practice what they have learned. Bachelor programs start with a semester 1, which is a practical arts semester in which the students learn about the fundamentals of service and practical arts. Semester 2 is an operational internship where the students can put into practice what they have learned over the first 6 months. Semester 3 and 4 is basically back on campus, where the students will learn the fundamentals of hospitality, and they go for another internship. That's the 5th semester, where the students can also choose about the managerial role or supervisor role in any field of hospitality they're interested in. Once they're back for the 6th semester, they all put into practice what they've learned over the first 5 semesters. It's what we call the business integration semester, and when they progress towards their specialization at the end of the program.
Our goal is to prepare students for a wide range of careers in the international tourism and hospitality industry. Here, they learn the Swiss work ethos, allowing them to develop their skills in leadership, entrepreneurship, and of course, teamwork.
These skills are not completed until their practical approach. In order to develop the great manager of tomorrow, we practice operations such as cooking, serving, housekeeping, front office. Every need that the industry of today needs from our students. What we're trying to do is duplicate the whole scenario of a real activity in the hotel industry.
At Career Services at Les Roches, we look forward to help you figure out what you like to do with your life. We will also bring the companies here to meet you. You will be able to have one-on-one conversations with them, you'll attend presentations. We will do some sessions in class to make sure that you have the basics ready, like your CV, your cover letter, your LinkedIn, so that you can network. Because one of the strongest things that you get when you're at Les Roches is the networking part. You will grow your network. It's easier to find a job if you know somebody within the company. So we want you to grow that network so that you can always find your dream job.
The best part is when we go into the internship, so we can actually show how this knowledge has been put into practice while working in the outside world. I started my BBA in Crans-Montana. Having 2 campuses means that I could finish my degree in Marbella, right in the heart of the Costa del Sol.
Our students really enjoy spending their time on campus with all the different nationalities and different cultures. They learn from each other, they experience different culture, and this also creates a big environment here about family feel, and this is why Les Roches is not just a school, it's a way of life.